Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Dr. Kiran Kumar, Director of ISRO, will deliver the 7th Manohar Parrikar Scientific Lecture. The main venue will be at NIO, whereas there will be lectures organized at Margao, Pilani, Zuarinagar, Ponda, Quepem, Darbandora, Pernem and Canacona. The Young Scientist Award will also be given among the 35 entries received. The idea is to help students understand pure sciences in a simple manner by interacting with renowned scientists.
This time we have the former chairman of ISRO, Dr. Kiran Kumar, who will be delivering a keynote address on this day. Besides that, we have speakers who are coming from different parts of India, and also we invited two speakers from foreign countries, one from Sweden and one from Germany, who will present the students. This festival basically is to make the students of Goa understand science from a very basic level, talking to high-level scientists who probably will encourage them and motivate them to take a career in science, pure sciences, and if possible science and technology also. The venues that we have besides NIO at Dona Paula will be at Margao, Ponda, Quepem, Pernem, Canacona, Zuarinagar, that is BITS, and Darbandora. So a total of 4,245 students will attend this program in person, and it's also going to be telecast live through different sources like Facebook, etc., where the children from home or other schools can telecast for the kids to understand. Every session that is held will have a question and answer as well, so the students will have an opportunity to question the scientists about whatever they would wish to know. Another important edition that we are having for the third time, actually, although this series is the 7th edition, 3 years back we introduced the Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award. And that's an award given to a scientist below the age of 35. And the chairperson of the selection committee is Dr. Anil Kapurkar, who is the former chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India. This time around we had 51 applications from the top scientists of India, and we have selected a scientist by the name of Dr. Sai Gautam Gopal Krishna. He is a graduate from IIT Chennai, BTech and MTech, and he did his PhD at MIT, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that is in Massachusetts, USA. He's right now working at Indian Institute of Science, that's in Bangalore. His field of study is materials sciences, metallurgy basically, and incidentally Mr. Parrikar himself was a metallurgist. It will be released, and then we have got provision for relaying it across all venues as well. So, the first event which happens at NIO is also there is a live telecast which goes across all venues, and it is also available live on Facebook and YouTube. So it will be available pan-India.
So all these will be simultaneously held at the same time?
Yes. So the main program is held at NIO, and that will be telecast to all the centers across Goa, which we just told you about. And at 11:25, when the first main keynote speaker finishes speaking at NIO, thereafter we'll disengage, and each center then has their own speakers.
Each centers will have two speakers each. Okay, so the lectures will start at around 11:25 or 11:30, and it will continue till
about 1 o'clock.
Till 1 o'clock.
How has the interest increased over the last 7 editions among students and participation?
Yeah, so we are taking children who I'm using the word children deliberately because they are young. They are people who are maybe 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So they can maybe make a decision about science and learning when they are in school itself. So this is just 6 years that is over. No? They were at that time perhaps maybe about 14, 15. So it will take a few years for us to understand how many of them took benefit of this. They have to reach till the age of 22, 23 or 24 to be able to say that I have learned science because I went for a lecture there. It will take some time. These things are long. Time horizons are pretty long.
No, I mean in terms of participation, because 4,000 are participated, has the number gone up over the last?
No, we have a limitation in the sense of the venues. Each venue, for example, can take 300, 400, some like which Pilani can take 700. So we have that limitation. NIO has 690. You cannot take more than that.
Celebrate the joy of gifting this festive season with Bhagyalakshmi Cashews and Dry Fruits, your trusted destination for premium dry fruits, cashews, chocolate, sweets, and exquisite handicrafts in the heart of Panjim. We have elegant dry fruit boxes and imported chocolate to lavish gift hampers and handcrafted treasures to make your celebrations truly special. Enjoy exclusive festive offers for family, friends, or corporate gifting. Visit us at Shop number to Marwa Hotel, AMG Road, near Don Bosco School, Panjim. Shop number 40 Section 2, New Municipal Market, Panjim. Bhagya Lakshmi, where gifting meets tradition.